Meaning of command language.
Command language.
Command language.
Command language.
Command language. A command language is a computer programming language used to control and interact with a computer system. It typically consists of a set of commands and syntax rules that allow users to communicate with the computer and execute specific tasks or actions. Common examples of command languages include Bash, PowerShell, and Python. Using a command language can provide a more efficient and streamlined way of performing tasks compared to using graphical user interfaces. Overall, command languages are an essential tool for managing and operating computer systems.